We have solved one more questions in areas related to circles in previous videos. In this video we are going to solve 2 marks questions. First one, find the area of unshaded region in the given circle of radius 7 cm and sector angle is 30 degree as in the figure. Here area of unshaded sector is to be calculated, that is A, that is equal to question mark, sector angle of unshaded sector, that is theta equal to 360 minus 30, that is equal to 330 degree. Radius of circle R is equal to 7 centimeter. Formula A equal to theta degree divided by 360 into pi r square. Therefore A equal to 330 divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 square. Here 0 gets cancelled. Therefore A equal to 33 divided by 36 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7. Here 7 square is written as 7 into 7. 7 gets cancelled. 3 divides 36 by 12 times and 33 by 11 times. That is 3 12s are 36, 3 11s are 33. Therefore A equal to 11 by 12 into 22 into 7. 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are 22. Therefore A is equal to 121 into 7 by 6. Here 11 into 11 is equal to 121. Therefore A is equal to 847 divided by 6. Let us divide 847 by 6. 6 ones are 6. Difference of 8 and 6 is 2. Take 4, that will be 24. Therefore 6 4s are 24. Difference is 0. Take 7. 6 ones are 6. Here remainder is 1. Take 0 by putting decimal point. So 6 ones are 6. Remainder is 4. Again take 0. 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 4. Therefore required area A equal to 141.16 centimeter square. Problem 2. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. 4 congruent circles are drawn in the square as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Here circles touch each other externally and also sides of the square. First of all, let us find area of square, that is A1. Here length of the circle, that is length of side of circle, length of side of a square L is equal to 14 centimeter. Measure of A, that is area of the square, is to be calculated. A1 equal to L square. A1 equal to 14 square, that is equal to 196 square centimeter. To find area of one circle, that is A2. Here radius of the circle is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, because observe here, each side of square is 14 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of each circle is equal to 7 centimeter, and hence radius of each circle is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. A is equal to question mark. Formula to find area of circle, that is A2 is equal to pi r square. Therefore, A2 is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square. Therefore, A2 is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here 7 gets cancelled. Therefore, A2 is equal to 154 by 4 square centimeter. 22 into 7 is equal to 154. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now let us find sum of areas of 4 congruent circles. We call this as A3. That is A3 equal to 4 into A2. Here A2 is area of each circle. Therefore, sum of areas of 4 congruent circles is 4 into A2. Here A2 is equal to 154 by 4. Therefore, A3 equal to 4 into 154 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. Therefore, A3 is equal to 154 centimeter square. Next, required area, that is area of shaded region A. A is equal to A1 minus A3. That is area of square A3 is sum of areas of 4 congruent circles. Therefore, A is equal to 196 minus 154. A is equal to 42 square centimeter. This question is asked in June 2019 supplementary examination question paper.